So I've got rotisserie chicken, but I want fried chicken. So let me show you how I fried this rotisserie chicken for some of the best, laziest, delicious fried chicken I've ever made. It's actually really good. Okay, rotisserie chicken. That's what I've got. So I am just going to break this down into pieces, much like I would if I had a whole fryer and I wanted to make fried chicken. And you're probably thinking, why, Angelica? Why are you doing this? Well, I'll tell you why. I asked my husband to pick up a whole chicken, but I didn't specify that I didn't want it cooked. And he bought me 2 rotisserie chickens. And I wanted to marinate chicken for fried chicken, but I said, you know what? Let me just work with this. You know how I do. I always like to work with what I've got, and that's what I've got today. So I'm just going to take very sharp, well, this is falling apart. So yeah, break down the rotisserie chicken into pieces. Chicken is portioned out into 8 pieces in a large bowl. I am going to add, gosh, I only had like a cup and like 1 1/3 cups of flour left in my container. So I'll say that's like a 1/3 cup. It should do the trick to coat the exterior. Here I'm adding some onion powder, some garlic powder, and a dash of MSG. I'm gonna give that a little mixy mix and then toss in the rotisserie chicken, the pieces. And I'm just gonna coat it, toss that in, and then you'll just kind of dredge it and coat it. I'm gonna start preheating my cooking oil. And this is just vegetable oil. Okay, so in a bowl, I'm going to add a cup of all-purpose flour. Like a 1/2 cup of cornstarch. And I'm just gonna season it with the same thing. Garlic powder, and you can season however you like. Add the flavors you want. Onion powder, if I had to guess, it's like a 1/2 teaspoon of each to a full teaspoon. And I like my MSG. Let's give that a mix. And actually I am gonna add some salt and the same amount for paprika. Okay, not bad. Now I'm going to add some sparkling mineral water, and I'm just gonna add it until it comes together like a pancake batter consistency. So just kind of go slowly with that, because if you're working with a little bit of all-purpose flour like I am, you don't want to make it too watery, but just give that a really good mix. Okay, so now I'll show you what you're supposed to do here. Just take your coated, dredged rotisserie chicken piece and add it to the wet batter. Give it a coating, just like that. And now you fry. There you go. I'm gonna let some of this excess run off. Same thing, let it fry. And obviously this is not going to take as long as regular uncooked chicken. It's going to take minutes. Just wait till it gets golden brown on the exterior. Or maybe like a light golden brown. And here is where I'm going to put the chicken when it's done. And then, when it looks just like this, it's done. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. Look at that. Just the quickest, laziest way to make fried chicken. Let's just coat that. Tempura fried chicken. By the way, you can absolutely do more of a southern fried crust when you do this. I just wanted to try it tempura style. Actually, it's really hot. Oh, and if you don't like eating noises, tune away. Oh. I think I'm onto something with this. I mean, super tender, cooked all the way through because it was rotisserie. And this crust, this tempura crust. I want you to hear this crunch. This is actually rotisserie chicken skin that fell off the chicken. So for my beginner cooks, if you are looking to fried chicken and kind of like dupe guests into like making this super tender, fully cooked through bone-in chicken, I mean, this might be a hack for you. So good.